Right. So we're live on YouTube, and I will try to remember to put this on the website on Sunday. But I must admit, I am a little slow at that. I apologize. I have excuses. I'm only excused that, but I guess my office I'll go back to my office now. I have a 2-hour meeting with students. So then it slips, and once it's out of my head for more than an hour, I forget. So if you really need the slides, send me a message. Today will be really important because you have to use this stuff. You will have to use this stuff in the class tomorrow. When you get to the class, start doing the class, you'll need the stuff. Okay? So visit this up. And once again, I'll try to remember to put the slides on. So, fine, right. So this is what we did yesterday. Not yesterday, guys, if you want to talk, I don't mind, but just go outside. The lecture will be on YouTube, so if you want to watch it later, that's fine. But don't chat now. Okay? It's disturbing other people. So, this is what we do on Monday. I hate that classroom. I get all fuddled. I'm not sure I was very clear. We're going to quickly recap, which won't be a bad thing. We said that there are 3 steps in creating a program. And you're going to do this all the time. And I think third year are going to learn that there are actually, look, BCom students, I know you come very, very far, actuarial science students. I know you have to come really far, but I think it is a nice thing. It's a little tough for you across campus. The time to relax on the one hand, but also get a little exercise and running really fast. So please try to not come late. Right. Now we're leaving class, I'll just take this for later. Lunch. Oh, grip. Oh, I'm okay. Okay. So, please try not to come late. I don't mind if you come late, but as you can see, it is a bit of a disturbance. So quickly to recap, these are the 3 steps. We are going to read all 3 steps. So we looked at how to create a little program, which we just copy-pasted from this slide. Then I showed you the command line, which you found some of you 50% found really confusing, because maybe you need to use. And I also showed you clips, which everyone found confusing because it was so fast and probably tiny on the screen. So I'm going to recap that. Lucky for me, you've read the part of the chapter you're supposed to read. And I'm not going to work through that. I mean, that's insane for me to just repeat everything that's in the book and on the slides again. So what I'd rather do in class is build on what you've read to write interesting programs. So if we can program a little bit in class, I hope that that'll teach you more than just coming here, listening to me recite everything on the slides. So this was our little program, and before I recap how we compile and execute it, let's just have a look at it, because we didn't have time on Monday. So it's a text file. It's just a lot of characters. We call those kinds of characters ASCII characters. As you can see that it's a monospaced font. It's not like when you write a document. Every single character here has got a fixed width. So really we think about these things as characters. Star is a character, the quote is a character, letters are characters, commas, spaces, even a space is a character. In Java, we write programs like this. Usually, we put one instruction on each line, or most one instruction per line, but some lines are not instructions. So right here at the top, everything from this slash star up to the star slash, those two pairs of characters, that's called a comment. I can put anything I want inside a comment. Java is not going to look at that. It's not going to be compiled. That's only for my own personal edification. So for reminders of what can I ask you a big favor? You've got a laptop, and there's one thing at the back. I don't think you're looking at Facebook. You just open it for life. I don't mind, but people do look at laptops and like the reading lamps and all that stuff. So if you have a laptop, I really don't mind if you use it. Or if you play kind of like a game on it, but just right in the back, right? Like that guy. I'm not like okay. Right. I can put anything I want in a comment. It's a little note to myself to tell me what the program is about, what it's doing, when did I write it, who actually wrote the program, what's the file name for the program. I'll experiment in a second. I'll show you what I can put in there. Then, the next lines of the programs, if you've never programmed before, this is just like black magic. You have no idea what's going on here. But I can tell you that these lines, so that line at the top, is basically just our way of telling Java, this is the name of our program. And we are always going to write that. We're always going to write public class, some name, the name of the program, and an open brace. See this little thingy? It's called an open brace. And we are always going to write that. We're never going to write a program without writing that. And right at the end, there's a matching close brace. So basically, this is like parentheses around our program. Everything inside is part of the program. Inside, we have another piece of formula. So at least for this course, you are almost always going to write public, static, void, what do these words even mean, main, string, args, another open brace. That is also fixed. It's never going to change. At least in this course, you're always going to write that. You can just have it tattooed on you somewhere, because that's not all you're going to write, but you're going to write it every single time. Come in, don't be shy. Be a little shy. So that's part of the program as well, and it's got a closing brace. So the only real part of this program that we actually have to write is this one line that says system.out.println, open parentheses, hello world, double quotes, and close parentheses. That's the only instruction you are giving to the computer for this program. The program only does one thing. Remember, its purpose was we executed it to display hello world on the screen. That's the only thing it's supposed to do. That's the only thing it does. And that's why there's only one instruction. There's only really one instruction in this whole program. And you're also going to write system out println a lot in this course, like 1,000,000 times at least. So it's good to know about that. Well, it's not good to know about it. You have to know about it because otherwise you're not going to make it. That's an instruction. Just memorize and display it on the screen. Right. So this is the skeleton of all the programs we are going to write in the course. The only thing we are going to change is that one instruction in the middle that says system out println. Very quick recap. So these slides that are on the web now actually tell you how to compile the program from the command line. Remember that's step 2. Compile the program, Java C, hello world.java, and then to run it. Hello Java, hello world. I don't know how I remember this. When you do it so many times, it just becomes a second nature. But maybe you have to memorize it for now. That you write Java C for Java compile, program name .java, and then when you execute it, you only write Java, and you only write the name of the program, not .java afterwards. When we can experiment and see what happens if we write the .java. Let's go see what happens. Java, hello world.java. Ooh, okay, it doesn't like that. It says error, or error, that's enough. We don't need to go further. It definitely was an error. But if I leave out the .java, it's happy again. What about if I write Java C, hello world, without the .java? Error, okay, cool. So it's very finicky. It wants things exactly as it wants them. All right, so this is the command line. I'm not going to go further, but I do want to show you Eclipse again, because I felt I didn't do Eclipse justice. And part of the reason was, I said, no, yes, what's your name? What? Rio. Yes. Okay. What's my name? Gary. Cool. Gary.
Are we going to use when we do development and practical stuff?
Yes.
Use IDE or
I would like you to use the command line. I grew up with the command line. When I was a young child, 3, 4 years old, I started using the command line. I got addicted to it. I went to rehab, but I just couldn't pick it. So I love the command line, and it is very important that you know the command line. But you can really use whatever you want. If you want to use the IDE, that's fine. All I'm going to ask you is to hand in your program at the end of the practice or at the end of a, well, it's an written exam paper, obviously you won't hand it, you will just write it down. And there won't be an IDE. But if it's a practical test, you have to run, at least copy paste the Java into the Sun online website thing. So, and then it doesn't matter where it comes from. It can come from the IDE, or it can come from the command line, or it can come from an IDE. So, in short, meh. Okay, right. So that's loading. While it's loading, starting up Eclipse, let's just close this up because. And not showing me the welcome screen again, but I'm pretty sure that I've been here once. Oh, it says always show the welcome at startup. No, that's going to take forever. So I'm going to switch it off and checking for required version. No, don't do that. Okay. And I'm going to go to the workbench. Yeah, okay. So this is where we were last time. Can you actually see on the screen? My is really bad. If I can see, you can all see it. All C's. Let's see. I see. No! Fuck no! Can you see that? I mean, I can see the screen itself, but I can't see what's written. Oh no! No, you didn't turn us up. You can't see that thing, I can tell. Okay, right. So this is probably a good lesson for all of you. If you don't like things, you can change them. This is Eclipse.